Hyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy sushi for vegetarians by request from my viewers. I'm not a vegetarian, but eating a lot of vegetable is necessary for my health. Please watch this video and try to make vegetable sushi. First, prepare the vegetable to put on the sushi. Wash spinach and cover with plastic wrap. Heat it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Next, cut off the stem of the eggplant. Then, cut the eggplant into 3 pieces lengthwise. Then, cut diagonally. Make 3 cut on the surface of the eggplant skin. Next, cut off the stem of the paprika and cut it in half lengthwise. If the paprika is long, cut it in half horizontally. Remove shiitake mushroom stick. Make a cross cut on the surface of the shiitake mushroom. Next, remove the stipe of the mushroom and peel it. By peeling the mushroom, we can eat them raw and delicious. Slice mushroom thinly. Then slice the tomato thinly. All ingredients are ready. Pour a lot of oil into the frying pan. Heat oil and add paprika. Also fry the shiitake mushroom. Flip them over. When they are cooked through, remove them from the oil. Next, fry the eggplant. Flip them over. Once the eggplants are cooked, remove them from the oil. Next, make the dashi soup. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sweet sake to 300 ml of dashi stock and mix them. Put the soup in a heat-resistant container and heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Add the fried vegetable to the soup. Eggplant, shiitake mushroom, paprika, then add the microwaved spinach. Cover the container and chill in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 minutes. Then cook the mushrooms. Add 1 teaspoon of wasabi and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to the bowl and mix. Add the mushrooms and mix them. Let the flavor soak in for 15 to 30 minutes. Next, make rice for sushi. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add them to 700 grams of rice and mix well. Spread crushed crab and top with 3 tablespoons of sushi rice. Wrap the rice in crushed crab and form into barrel shape. Form the rest of the rice into barrel shape using crushed crab. Next, chop the spinach. You can prevent the spinach from falling apart by soaking it in the broth before cutting it. Grab the vegetable sushi. Place the eggplant on the crushed crab. Place the sushi base on top of the eggplant. Wrap them in crushed crab. Leave wrapped in crushed crab for about 5 minutes. Yellow paprika, sushi base, wrap them up. Red paprika, sushi base, wrap them up. Orange paprika, sushi base, wrap them up. Shiitake mushroom, sushi base, wrap them up. Spinach, sushi base, wrap them up. 3 mushrooms, sushi base, wrap them up. Tomato, sushi base, wrap them up. I finished wrapping all the sushi. Finally, remove the crushed crab and place the sushi on the plate. Japanese kaizen for vegetarians and vegans, vegetable sushi has been completed. Thank you for your viewing. Today I made vegetable sushi. If you are vegan or vegetarians but still want to enjoy sushi, please try vegetable sushi. We sometimes end up consuming too much fat and sugar. We may also be deficient in vegetables and vitamins. For people like me who are not vegans or vegetarians, I think it's a good thing to eat healthy, vegetable-based meal once in a while. Please try the vegetable sushi. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!